Experiencing a no-signal message on your Toshiba TV when using HDMI input is a common and frustrating problem. This issue typically stems from simple connection problems that can be resolved with systematic troubleshooting. Step 1 is to check your cable connections. Ensure HDMI cables are securely plugged into both the TV and source device like a Blu-ray player or gaming console. Inspect the cables for any visible damage such as fraying or exposed wiring. If you find damage, try swapping with a known working cable. Step 2 is to verify your input selection. Use your TV remote to confirm you have selected the correct HDMI input that corresponds to the port where your device is connected. Cycle through all available inputs to ensure you haven't accidentally selected the wrong one. Step 3 is power cycling both devices. Turn off both the TV and connected device, unplug them for about 1 minute, then plug them back in and turn them on. This resolves HDMI handshake issues and reestablishes proper communication between devices. Finally, verify that your source device's output resolution is supported by your Toshiba TV. Consult your TV's user manual to confirm supported resolutions, then adjust the resolution settings in your device accordingly. If 4K isn't working, try switching to 1080p or 720p resolution. These 4 troubleshooting steps resolve most HDMI no-signal issues on Toshiba TVs. By systematically checking connections, input selection, power cycling devices, and verifying resolution compatibility, you can quickly identify and fix the problem. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your HDMI no-signal issue, several advanced techniques can help identify and fix the problem. First, systematically test different HDMI ports on your TV. Move your cable to each available port to determine if the issue is port-specific or affects the entire TV. Try different HDMI cables to isolate whether the problem is with the cable itself or the TV hardware. A faulty cable is often the simplest fix. If hardware testing doesn't solve the issue, try software-based fixes. Start with a soft reset by unplugging your TV for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. For persistent issues, consider a factory reset through your TV's system menu. Warning, this will erase all your stored data and settings, so use this as a last resort. Another option is disabling the Consumer Electronics Control or CEC feature in your TV settings. This feature can sometimes interfere with HDMI signal detection. If problems persist across multiple devices and ports after trying these fixes, your TV likely has a hardware failure requiring professional repair. Looking toward the future, HDMI technology continues to evolve. The upcoming HDMI 2.2 standard promises significant improvements in audio and video capabilities. HDMI 2.2 will support dramatically higher resolutions and refresh rates. We're talking about 4K at 480 Hz, 8K at 240 Hz, and even 16K resolution at 60 Hz. New Ultra 96 HDMI cables are being developed to support these advanced capabilities, including 16K video resolution with enhanced bandwidth for uncompressed video formats. Keep an eye on major technology events like CES 2025, where these next-generation HDMI standards and technologies are expected to be officially announced and demonstrated. These technological advances will provide better compatibility and higher quality connections, potentially reducing many of the HDMI signal issues we troubleshoot today.